I'm Adam Harrison, an AFL application engineer. When it comes to deploying aerial fiber optic cable, there are several options. All dielectric self-supporting cable, commonly known as ADSS, optical ground wire, OPGW, lashed loose tube on a messenger, or SkyRoute. Depending on the specific application, any of these may be an appropriate solution, but today we're going to focus on ADSS. AFL was one of the earliest pioneers of ADSS products in North America. ADSS does not contain any metallic components, enabling the cable to be installed in a variety of environments like high voltage transmission lines or short span right-of-ways for telephone or electric distribution. Its ability to be installed in live line environments is one of its key differentiators from other aerial fiber optic cable technologies. This means ADSS users incur minimal, if any, disruption to existing power infrastructure. All ADSS product types belong to one of two design families, double jacket or single jacket. Both families are designed and tested in compliance with the IEEE 1222 industry standard for ADSS cables. Double jacket ADSS can be designed with a maximum of 576 fibers for spans ranging up to 6,000 feet. The majority of double jacket ADSS designs are installed in the underbuild position on a transmission right-of-way, but are also used in shorter span applications as well. AFL custom designs double jacket ADSS cables considering such factors as environmental loading, span lengths, fiber count, and the electrical environment in which the cable is going to be installed. In ADSS installation environments where transmission line voltage is 115 kV or greater, AFL will work with customers to evaluate whether a tracking resistant ADSS is required. Single jacket ADSS can be designed with a maximum of 144 fibers for shorter spans than its double jacket counterpart. AFL offers our legacy mini-span ADSS system, as well as the more customized FlexSpan ADSS as single jacket design options. These cables are efficient designs that can be installed on shorter span power distribution, telephone, and municipality right-of-ways. As a total solution provider, AFL offers installation guidance and instruction, a full line of hardware, connectivity products, fusion splicers, as well as test and inspection equipment along with the ADSS cable. All ADSS hardware is tailored to the strength and diameter characteristics of each ADSS design. With over 30 years in the telecommunications industry, we look forward to partnering with you on your next fiber optic project. Contact us today to see how AFL can make your next installation a success.